over. Do you think that ICPC is doing enough when it comes to engaging with the public to encourage them? I mean, the public reporting, the reporting of corruption, and promote a culture of transparency and accountability. Do you think ICPC is doing enough?
I think they're doing enough, and I think we're not commending them as much as we should. And this is plain truth. And even from the events, the chairman recently gave a keynote by the independent reporting organ ICIR. It was evident that they were doing much more than what we even thought, and because of it's the law that established them, and a lot of time ICPC don't want to come public and tell, because of course when you're investigating you don't want to come public until you get a ruling. But I think by and large, one thing that we can use to also support them is to get the whistleblower bill passed. Why? Because, and I know that a couple of weeks ago there was a conference, this regional conference put together by my good friend Honora, and it's evident, and this is not just a Nigerian problem, it's a sub-regional problem. You must protect whistleblowers, you must protect people that are courageous and have come forward and want to work together with anti-corruption agencies to ensure that we recover resources. I know one thing ICPC is big at is asset recovery. I like the fact that he also talked about it's not just about recovering asset within the country. You see, it takes a lot. I remember in 2016, Nigeria signed the Open Government Partnership. I was in London with President Muhammadu Buhari, not on his delegation, of course, as civil society leader. We were in the same room in London, and I witnessed when he signed it. And I remember speaking to a couple of FBI officials, and there was this lady who was former FBI who said, she know where some of our assets are placed in the US and in the UK. I was stunned, and she showed me evidence, and she wanted to meet with the right people, to help Nigeria recover these resources. So if you don't have whistleblower protection law, if you're not collaborating with our partners and friends in the international community, we have billions of dollars of our resources that are, proceeds of corruption that have moved to offshore accounts, to islands, to what we call safe havens.
People are afraid because the syndicate is very, very powerful.
Like you said, they're united for corruption. So we have to be united against corruption, So it takes a lot, but we must have the legal and regulatory framework. We must have a justice reform that ensures that when a proper investigation thoroughly carried out and charges are brought forward, we should not keep these cases in court forever, because what it does, it erodes public trust, because you want public support, you want to continue to enjoy public trust, and because when you do that, public will continue to give you information and intelligence that you need to tackle corruption within and even outside the country.
Okay, thank you, Hamza.